it is. Okay, so it has a few bolts here, bolting it down to the pallet, and we'll have to start taking those out. Okay, this is the SKAT BLAST cabinet, model SC33, and manufactured by SKAT BLAST from Canfield, Ohio. Got the gloves here, this plastic housing that says SKAT BLAST. This part says SKAT BLAST up here on the black plastic. It's got a nice hinge. Says made in the USA there. It's got a protective film over top, and they went ahead and peeled the corner to make it easier. And it says you want to cut this all the way around and then pull it. So we'll open it up, and well, down here, this is the door to let the sand out. I got a little bit of debris in there, but man, that's got a good seal and a super hard spring on it. Okay, I mean, everything's solid, really good quality. It feels a lot better than the Harbor Freight model that I looked at first, and I just decided to spend a little bit more and get something that'll last a lot longer. Plus, they have all the tools or replacement parts. So if you need a part like the lens covers or protective covers, they have all that. That's what I like about it, where you're not just on your own after you buy it. So let's see what's inside. Got a chain there to keep that from flopping backwards. This is nice too, because it has, I don't know what you call that seal, but like a regular car trunk seal, which is pretty neat. Gloves, black and yellow. Actually says SKAT BLAST on the gloves, so they got a little bit of texture to them. There's a hose down in here, if you can see that. That goes there. These are sealed with band clamps on where the gloves come in, so they'd be easy to replace. Okay, this is the tube, I guess, you hook your gun into. And then it has the SC33 accessory kit. And this thing, I guess, for the filter. And it's supposed to come with a thing. I'll get a knife and open that up. Alright, this is the accessory kit. I had already opened this a second ago. You get the gun and a parts list and another little nozzle there. Let's see. You get the light that goes on the top. It's gonna mount in there, and that's got a, look at that seal. Keep that sand from getting up around your light, I guess. And it's got an instruction sheet for that too. Got your air hose. That's the thing that goes in there. It has instructions and safety manual for the cabinet. And it has, I think, the vacuum fitting with a gasket for that too. So, and it's got lockable wheels, and it's already all assembled, which is like the greatest surprise ever. Anyway, so I'm gonna put that in here. I'll have to sweep the floor, obviously. I'll be able to roll this puppy around wherever I want. Okay, taking a look inside the cabinet. They've already sealed everything for you, so it shouldn't have any leaks. You can see here, that's got sealant. Got a little bolt holding the chain. These are through with typical self-drilling screws. They give you the opening here for the exhaust. Your pickup tube, if you can look down in there, See the pickup tube. They drilled a hole through this mesh. It goes down. It actually has two tubes. Like I'm guessing the one might be a ventilation tube. I don't really know how that works yet, but everything's sealed good all the way around, up and down the sides. So hopefully no leaks. Anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supports in there, which feels really good compared to the Harbor Freight version. Hate to compare their stuff, but you gotta do it. Okay, this is the light. I'm gonna see if I can get it in here. Has a little wing nut on it. What is I didn't notice about this is it even has little markings for degrees on there, so you can pivot this light both directions. So we're going to stick this thing to the hole here. Okay, so we got the light installed. It comes with a little seal. It's got a split ring in there, and you flex it. And I had to use a screwdriver to get that in there. So there's the cord for the light. The light's in there, right here, if you can see that. And it's adjustable two ways. It actually can pivot this way, and then you can adjust your up and down this way. So you can aim it however you like it to get on your workpiece. Okay, this is the light. I'm gonna see if I can get it in here. Has a little wing nut on it. I didn't notice about this is it even has little markings for degrees on there, so you can pivot this light both directions. So we're going to stick this thing to the hole here. This is the vacuum system. They had other options there that were more expensive, but I got just the basic vacuum system they got. It's supposed to be a lot better than the shop vac. It's basically just a heavy motor on the top, the HEPA filter, and an empty drum with a connection on it. So, and I think they have some other stuff here. So it says they recommend that you vent the outlet to the outside. If you're unable to do that, they have an optional final filter outlet bag that you can hook to this and get this pretty nice hose that's supposed to, yep, the hook's there and there. So that's it. I'm gonna figure out where I'm probably have to move some stuff to put it in place, and we'll be able to give it a try. Thanks guys, see you.